Hindi dapat ako gagawa ng content this week kasi meron akong throat infection. Hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos. Pero sobrang importante tong alpha call na dapat kong gawing video agad. In my own opinion, kayang-kaya to mag 10x or even 20x. And this is play to earn game pa to. So, patok na patok. In fact, nung try kong pumasok dito, over 15,000 players ang naka-queue sa game na to. Hindi ako nagbibiro nung sinabi kong 10x or possible 20x itong game na to. Kasi yung main token nila, as of right now, nasa around 4.5 to 5 million market cap pa lang. And kaka-launch pa lang niya kaninang 4 PM. So feel ko we're very early, no? Lalo na tumataas yung user base. Nandyan yung user base, over 15,000 players ang naka-queue. And the more users are playing this game, in my own view, no, mas lalong tataas yung price ng token nila. So, para malaman mo yung alpha call na to, syempre, binigyan ko ng advantage yung mga nasa Telegram group ko. And my Telegram group is public, no? Pwede kayo sumali anytime, anywhere. Ang link ay nasa bio.